We have to be quiet. Your dad's on the phone.
Huh. Let's hope Zombie doesn't get mad. No, they're not in the video, you Dumbo. Let's hope Zombie doesn't get mad.
If you want to come in, you have to figure out the code.
What's over here? Uh-oh, we heard the door close. Zombie's here. Act quiet.
Here. Stop.
Hey, everybody. Hi.
Where's everyone else?
Ah, what happened to the house?
You guys!
At least not everything's bad. Yeah. The house is totally torn. We had to leave.
The searcher come in and he has to figure out the code.
Oh, it's payback. Huh.
Yep, payback.
You guys, should we move somewhere? Like, move.
Are you using this?
Yeah, I'm using every single paper I have.
Perfect.
Okay. Looks like I got to move somewhere different. Like, move.
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, but Cherry's gonna look. Should we move over there to that seat over there? Oh, it's going. It's going.
Move it quickly. Nah.
No, maybe up. Jordan, move. I just gotta get the whole picture. No, you're still in it. Let's see. Is it up there? The library place. Ooh, I know. It's so fashionable. Come on. Oh my gosh, there's actually a person in here. Oh no. Should we move in there? Or up there?
Paper.
Huh. Ah, we're blind.
Yeah.
Ah. Wait a minute. Hopscotch? Glitter? Aren't you guys supposed to be underwater? What did I